Good morning, class 1. Hope class 1 you're fine. So, class 1, last day I've taught you chapter 7, storage device. So, today also we are continuing with storage device only. Storage device. Okay, so yesterday in the storage device, I said you that computer can store lots of informations. Okay, so it can be stored in a different device such as CD, hard disk, pen drive, memory card. Okay, so you know that we can store many things. Okay, I said you different types of data can be stored. So those data can be in the form of words, it can be in the form of pictures, it can be in the form of videos. Okay, now, so yesterday I taught you about the hard disk. So once more I'm repeating it. Yesterday I taught you about the hard disk, children's. So in hard disk, what I have taught you, it is fixed inside the CPU. I said you that hard disk is inside the CPU. Okay, and this hard disk can store a huge amount of data. Okay, it can store lots of videos, it can store lots of pictures, it can store lots of words. Okay, suppose you have written many paragraph, you have written many letters, okay, or any other documents you have written okay, question answers and all you can store in your computer. Okay, after that you have made lots of drawing. Okay, many drawing you have made, so all you can store in your computer, and many videos also you can store in your computer, many songs, etc., game, so many things you can store in a computer. So inside the CPU there is a hard disk is there. Hard disk stores everything, okay, all the information that is in terms of data. Okay, next we have learned about the pen drive. Children have shown you the pen drive. Okay, that pen drive is very small. Okay, and most of you have a pen drive in your home. Okay, so pen drive. Now yesterday I said you this pen drive. It is small in size, very small. You can put in your pocket also. Okay, and it is put in the US port. So it is put in US port. So you see in your book page number 43 there is a US port is there. Inside that you can put. Okay, you can use it in your computer, you can use in your laptop, you can use in your cell phone, you can use, okay, in your music systems, you can use directly in your televisions. Okay, so you see these are, so this what is pen drive does, it also stores lots of data, it also stores lots of informations. Okay, in terms of words, in terms of pictures, and in terms of videos. Okay, and it is also used to store data. I said huge amount of data it can store, thousand of songs, thousand of videos. Okay, so a pen drive also according to the memory, 32 GB, 64 GB, or more than that. Okay, more, the more memory will be present in the pen drive, the more data can be stored. Okay, children, so more and more data can be stored. Now, and I've said you can transfer data to another computer by using pen drive. Suppose in your pen drive your photos are there. Okay, so those photos you can transfer in your computer. Suppose in computer some songs are there, photos are there, you can transfer in your pen drive. Okay, you can transfer in your pen drive. So pen drive is very comfortable, and you see nowadays pen drives, most of the people, everyone knows. Okay, many of you also know about the pen drive. So with pen drive you can put in your music system and you can listen the music. Okay, you might all, most of you might have seen, or every one of you know about it. Okay, if suppose in pen drives the movies are the cartoons are, you can put in your television and you can watch cartoon movies. Okay, so pen drive, it can store lots of information in it. Okay, so children, today we are going to talk about CD. Okay, CD. So today we are going to discuss about CD. CD, what does this full form is? Compact disc. Okay, so CD full form is your compact disc, and you know CDs are in this forms. and many of you might have seen CDs, children. Okay, CD. So always it is a circular, it is in round shape. Okay, so C means compact, D means dish. Okay, COMPA, okay, CT, compact, DISK, disk, compact dish. So CD means, C stand for compact and D stand for dish, DISK, disk. So it is compact disk. Okay children, so you see this is called CD. Okay, so CD means C for compact, D for disk, compact disk. Okay, so it is your compact disk. So remember children, C stand for compact, D stand for DISK, disk. So we are going to learn about CD, that is compact disk. It is the full form of CD. Okay, now see, now it is placed in the CD drive. Children, you see in your drawing there is a CD drive is there. So you see in a computer you have a CPU. Okay, this is CPU. In CPU there is a CD drive is there. Okay, there is a button is there. So when you press the button, a tray will come out. Okay, so in this tray what you will do, you will put this CD. You will put this CD, okay, and you press the button, it will go inside. So if it is music is there, it will start playing music. If it is movies are there, it will start playing the movies. Okay, see, many of you might have your CD and DVD at home also. So when you play CD DVD, what do? You put CD and then in a remote you press the button, the CD goes inside the drive, okay, and start music or song or any type of cartoon movies. Okay, so you can watch in your television or in a computer or in your laptop also children. Okay, so it is placed in the CD drive. So you see in the CPU there will be a CD drive. You press the button, CD drive will come. Put the CD, press the button, CD drive will go inside and the CD will start playing. If it is a song, it will play song. If it has a other, okay, that is your, if suppose you have a cartoon Tom and Jerry, okay, or you have a rhymes card CD, okay, so it will start playing a rhymes for you all. Okay, or for the kids, if there are cartoons out there, so it will start playing the cartoon children's. Okay, so you will love to watch the cartoon or you will love to listen to the nursery rhymes, okay, or any other songs. Okay, it is round in shape. Children, you see CD is always round in shape. Okay, so it will not be a square, it will not be rectangle, it will not be triangle. Okay, so CD will not be in this shape. CD is always in, okay, it is round. Okay, it is always in a round shape. So round means, you know, circle. It is always in a round shape. Okay, you can carry it easily anywhere. So children, you can carry it easily, very easily, from one place to another. You see now the children, when any marriage ceremonies is, the birthday parties are there, suppose you have recorded, so after that recording, suppose you call the cameraman, they recorded the video. After that they will, when they will give you the recording, how they will give, they will give in terms of DVD and CD cassettes, or they may give in pen drive also. Okay, so you see always CD will be in round shape. Okay, when you will put this CD in a CD drive, at that time you can watch what is there inside the CD. Okay, cartoon is there, music is there, videos are there. Okay, birthday party, marriage ceremonies. Okay, so everything will be there. Okay, so this was about your compact dish. So CD means compact disc. Again I am saying, so CD stand for, C means compact, 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 DISK, disc, compact disc. Okay children, C stand for compact, D stand for disc, DISK, disc. Okay. Now so once more I'm saying it, repeating. So CD, it is placed in the CD drive. It is round in shape. You can carry it easily anywhere. So it is so small. Okay, you can carry it in a cover and you can take it in from one place to another. So it is very light and comfortable. Okay, you can carry it from one place to another. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to learn about memory card, children. Okay, next is memory card. Okay, next we are going to learn about memory card. MEMORY, memory, CARD, card, memory card. Okay, so we are going to learn about memory card. Okay, MEMORY, memory, CARD, card, memory card. Okay, so we are going to learn about memory card. Now, it is a small flatted card. See in your page number 43, there is the memory card is there. Okay, I'm trying to draw the memory card. Card is there. Okay. So this is your memory card. Okay, it is written 64 GB. So you see, okay, so this is your memory card, and I think most of you, every one of you have seen this memory card. This memory card is used in mobile phone, and it is used in digital camera. You know mobile phone, you all are doing the class with a mobile phone only. Okay, so in this mobile phone, your memory card is inserted. So when you take pictures, when you take videos, so you see instead of recording in a phone memory, it get recorded in a memory card. Even in digital camera also, children, you know digital camera. With digital camera you can click photos, you can take videos. Okay, suppose today birthday is there, you will click photos, you will take birthday photos. So in that case, in digital camera also, this memory card, okay, memory card is installed. Okay, they have you have to put memory card. Then only these photos, videos, all will be recorded in your memory card. Okay, so you see it is used to store data in mobile phone and digital camera. See in mobile phone also we are recording so many things. Okay, we are recording so many things in the mobile. Okay, so you see this memory card, it is a small flat card. Okay, and it is used to store data in mobile. So in mobile also you see you are taking photos, you are recording. Okay, see in mobile you all are looking the videos of class. Okay, that also you can store it, you can download and you can store it. So it will be stored in your memory card. Okay, you are clicking photos of yourself, your parents, your brothers, sisters. Okay, so all photos, where it goes, either it goes in phone memory or it goes in your memory card. So memory card is already inserted in your cell phone. Okay children, so you see this was about your memory card. So children, our complete book chapter 7 also completed. Okay, so computer is very few chapters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 only was there. So complete book is completed. So whatever work I will give and all, you will, okay, you all will do, and slowly you will learn at your home. So once more we are revising. So children, what we have learned in this chapter, we have learned about storage device. So which device we have learned? We have learned about the storage device. So you see cartoon, program, music, okay, everything we can record in a, we can store in a computer. Okay, so we can store in this computer, and while we store all these things, it is called data. Okay, song, music, okay, pictures, words means whatever you write and you store, they are called data. Okay, so it is stored in a storage device. So storage device are your CDU, hard disk, pen drive, memory card. Okay, so you see hard disk we have learned, it is inside the CPU. Okay, so in computer whatever you do, it is recorded there. Pen drive, I've said you, pen drive is a very small pen drive, you can carry it anywhere. So lots of information you can store in the, like lots of data can be stored in a pen drive. Song, music, videos, okay, your articles, whatever you write, everything will be recorded. Okay, compact disc, I said you CD. C stand for compact, D stand for disk. So compact disk, so it also stored lots of informations. Okay, and it can be very simple, it is round in shape, it can be carried easily from one place to another. And memory card, it is a small flat card. Okay, and it can also store lots of data. It is used in mobile. Okay, it is used in digital camera also. Okay, so you see this was about your total chapter 7. Okay, so it was very easy about your storage device. Okay children, now what I will do, when interactive class will start your, okay, so one chapters I will ask, because our syllabus is over. Okay, complete it all full. So whatever tasks I will give, whatever I will give you to read and write, you all will do it. Thank you children.